All right, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time, guys. This is Mr. Risk. So, guys, for today's video, I want simply to explain something very important about the trading plan. Right? Let's go, guys. So, most of people that fail in trading, they lack something that we call trading plan. If you have a trading plan, guys. So I have been trading for the last consecutive around 5 years in the market, and in fact, I have just discovered something. If you lack trading plan, even stop with the strategies. I have been making videos about strategies, about what, but I have just come in and saying that Mr. Risk, you need to talk about the trading plan, guys. So what makes you not to fall in a trading plan, guys? It is the lack of consistency every time. If you don't have a trading plan that you are following every day, a systematic plan that you are following every day, you will make yourself and meet yourself in a very dynamic mode, and you'll be not able to trade, guys. You'll not be able to trade. You will end up coming to a losing strike, because in the market there is what we call emotions. In the market there is what we call fear. There is in the market there is what we call greed. So this is what I want now to explain in details about greed, where it comes. So greed comes when you get a profit. For example, you have placed a buy position, it have hit your TP level, and you're okay, you have made your $50. That is what daily target. But if you don't have a plan that says, when I reach $50, I need to be there, I stop that. Do you understand that? So when I reach $50, I'm done with trading, right? So that is the key factor. All right. So I'm explaining the grid. All right. So after getting to that point, your daily target $50, you say is, I need to earn some profit. You end up coming into a trend, taking a buy position. You see yourself in a losing track around $20. You close your trend. Do you understand that? So that time you come back to your senses and say, yes, I have made a profit of 30, but I end a profit of $50. Let me take a trend. At least I have $30 in my account. So even if I lose, I'm okay, because I'm losing whatever I made. You will just take a trade, you just lose around $40. You make yourself into a $10 drawdown. You just come back. So that is what I'm explaining about greed. I'm explaining about greed. That is how greed comes in the market, because many people does not understand how the greed is built in the market, guys. So that is how the greed comes in forex trading. You are not coming to steal others things, or no. That is how greed comes when you get a profit and you want to earn it more. But if you have a trading plan that is planned very well, you will not meet yourself in such situations, right? So let me explain something about fear. How the fear. This is not, no, you are not talking that you're not a strong man. No. Fear comes when you take a trade and you see you are losing. That is how the fear comes. Or you see a setup that gonna happen, and some things in your working plan has not have been met, right? So, or your strategy it's not fully met, so you will just definitely have fear to lose. So if you take a trend and you take it enters into a loss, so you start fearing, because you lack something that we call confidence, and you are not trusting your process. No, what's now happening in the market most of times, guys? So after taking the trade, it will just definitely go to a loss a little bit, because of what you have your stop loss or always. So the when it goes to down, you will just be, you are human beings, so you will be start fearing, because you are fearing because of one thing. Either you have put your stop loss in not a very logical place, or your account size you have just over risk. You don't have a trading plan that says you need to risk, guys. So That is what makes you to enter into a fear and in a very aggressive mode that you gonna lose some money, bro. This is what I'm speaking. It's more important than strategy. This is more important than a strategy, guys. If you listen it very keenly, things will change. Things you will enter into another perspective where you will not just lose money, bro. You will be making money. Why? Because I'm teaching something that is making more sense in trading, right? So if you met yourself in such situations, you need to be very keen. In fact, you are in a losing track. If you are a professional trader, you need to have written that I need to enter the trend when this and this happens, and you put your stop loss in a very logical place and the TP level at a very logical place. Then you be confident and wait and trust your process. Even the market goes down and you have seen that this is the setup that I need. Do you understand that? So even if the market drops down, bro, do not be aggressively go and just closing the trends. No, 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 no. You need to be professional in trading. You need to believe at yourself. So this is very important thing that I'm explaining. Whenever the market goes down, do not be very aggressive. Do not be fearing. No, 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 no. You need to be very keen and say, yes, I'm a forex trader. I'm a professional forex trader. I have been backtesting this for the last some continuous 4 years. No, I need to trust my process, and you have written it somewhere as a trading plan, right? So that is what we call trading. If you want to be a professional in the market, you will be a professional at the boom. You will be making a lot of money, moving from $50, moving account to 500 USD, because you are disciplined. When the discipline comes, that is where the money is being displaced, guys. So I'm teaching this out of experience. For the last consecutive some few years, around 3 years, I was in a losing track. I deposit some money into my account and start losing. Why? Because I was not consistency. So sometimes I would come and take some trends, get some $50. Yes, I'm very okay. Then I come back, all my $50 are gone. I enter. So even there is some days that I lost the whole account the same day. That is why I'm saying trading plan, it's more important than other gossip things that people are watching, guys. If you're watching Mr. Risk right now, remember I'm here to coach you on how to make a trading plan. So the next video that I'm going to upload, specifically it will be explaining in details what we need to do as forex traders, guys. Every time, guys, this is Mr. Risk. Every time, remember to train sharp, train wisely. Every time, for the people who are joining me live every day, there I train live, explaining my best of the best strategy that I use every time. The Mr. Risk only price action strategy, the best of the best. I call it the three rule method strategy. Every time I use their trading gold, euro, and specific on GJ. That is very important for me, guys. It is Mr. Risk. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. We are moving from one grace to another every time, guys. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. This is Mr. Risk every time, guys. All right.